about the beginning.
There's staggered entrances.
What?
Is that like,
Okay.
there's staggered entrances.
True. Try to ask less leading questions, I suppose. Anybody? She's first, so it's all for discussion. Mark? Okay. True. What else? Yeah?
I think you're too fast.
Too fast for what?
Moderado. The literal translation is reasonable or moderate. I looked it up.
Yeah. What do you agree with that, Nancy? You disagree with that?
I listened to several different recordings, and there were only a few that were slower than what I just took, and 2 of them were quicker. And I think, considering the style of the canzona, I thought a quicker tempo was appropriate.
Take that.
You have to take into consideration that it also goes to PMO, so you have to go faster than that.
Did you do that?
No, I didn't.
Yeah, the Pumoso was the same as the Moderado. Turn back a page, everybody, would you? Look at 121. So, the answer to this is not on this page necessarily. I'll get to this page in just a second. But what's a canzona? Joe says a song. Okay. What's a cantata? What's a sonata? Funny, huh? Kind of words we've been living with for a long time, but maybe nobody's ever put that to you. That way. A cantata is music for voices, and a sonata is music for instruments. It's that S-O-N from the Symphonia and symphony with instruments come from that S-O-N. And the C-A-N, cantabile, these things vocal in nature. Is the canzona related to that in any way whatsoever? Not really. Is a canzona always a fugue? This is a little bit of a fugue kind of a thing. Is the canzona a form that means anything? Like a rondo? Give that some intellectual researching between now and Wednesday. Probably take you about a minute in Google or the Virginia Tech Music Dictionary online. Give it some thought. The reason you're on page 121 is that I want to ask you, who wrote this? Okay, who wrote this? Yeah, you got the emphasis on syllables that I gave you. So what's interesting is we can't even really be sure whether Moderato came from Purcell or Garofalo. Does that matter? Yeah, it certainly does. Right? I never met Purcell. I know Bob pretty well. If he were in the room, he wouldn't be offended if I said Purcell carries more weight than he does. So perhaps the recordings that you heard differed from this Moderato because Purcell didn't write it, but Garofalo did. Okay? If Garofalo did, he's probably trying to clear room for the Fumoso. Okay? So, I guess to try to summarize in the most, we'll use reasonable. Is it reasoned or reasonable?
Reasonable.
Reasonable. I love your answer for why you went the tempo that you did, because you found some things out, right? We don't love that when you did it, you didn't Pumosa. Kind of still have to Pumosa. Unless you're gonna stick to the, I don't know where Moderato came from, and you know what? I don't know where Pumosa came from. And the recordings I listened to didn't get faster
There
either.
wasn't a huge difference in tempo, just in style.
Yeah.
And I didn't give the style, I know. But
Well, you know, it says Pew. For this experiment, let's go slower and moderate, so we can make the biggest contrast we can between the sostenuto and the tempo and the accent and the Pumosa. Okay? Let's just take it nice and reasonable. So clarinet, so we all play the clarinet part, or we try to transpose?
I just added a B flat.
Ah, okay, terrific. Questions? Thanks.